A do-it-yourself outdoor mobile power battery using 4 lithium iron phosphate monomer can theoretically reach 4 degrees of power. In addition to the battery, also needs some other accessories. This is a 300 protection board is mainly used to protect the battery, overcharge, overcurrent, short circuit, and so on. This is the coolant meter sampler used to get the data of power consumption. This is the coolant meter is used to display the data and to adjust the parameters of this is the active equalization board is used to equilibrate the voltage of 4. The voltage of the battery cells. This is 2 Bluetooth communication module is used to connect the cell phone to view the data. Then the next step is to test the battery internal group and voltage. Although cent is divided into capacitance with a good group, but you cannot be sloppy with the battery cells are okay if the next step can be assembled together, because I think that the protective plate is a bit ugly. I also use the machine carving machine to give it the favorite carving pattern, but it is obviously a bit redundant this step. Mobile power safety is the first priority, so to give the core good isolation to prevent it from short circuiting here, I use the metal paper, high temperature tape to the core completely wrapped up, and then use high temperature vinegar tape to the core for further protection, since it is their own to do their own use of the pile of materials to be more ruthless core bottom, and then paste the edge of the reduction of the cotton foam to do a complete protection work.